Hello. Apple has finally released the first beta of Apple Intelligence, and I will be telling you how to install it on your Apple Silicon Mac. Firstly, you will need a developer account. If you don't have one, follow these steps. In a web browser, open developer.apple.com/programs. Then on the top right, click Enroll. Scroll to the bottom and click Start Your Enrollment. Enter the same Apple ID associated with your Mac. Follow the steps on the screen and sign up for a free developer account. Now we can get to the installation. On your Mac, open the System Settings app. Click on General, then Software Update. At the top of the screen, click on the eye icon next to Beta Updates. Make sure macOS Sequoia 15.1 Developer Beta is selected. Click Done and install the software. It will take an hour or two installed. Once it is done installing and preparing, click on Upgrade Now and enter your system password to start installing. While restarting, an Apple logo with a loading bar at the bottom will show. Enter the system password and follow all instructions on screen. Now, you will need to join the waitlist for Apple Intelligence. In System Settings, click on Siri, and under Apple Intelligence and Siri, click on Join Apple Intelligence Waitlist. In the pop-up, click on Join Waitlist at the bottom. The waitlist will take from a few minutes to hours. Once you are accepted, you will get a notification saying Apple Intelligence is here. Click on View, and it will open a page in System Settings. Click on Set Up Apple Intelligence, which will open another page. At the top of the screen, click on Turn on Apple Intelligence. There will be a pop-up with some information, and click Continue to change the pages. Finally, Apple Intelligence is set up. This version of Apple Intelligence is still very early, so only a new Siri animation and writing features are available as of now. Now I will show them to you. The first thing I will show is the new Siri animation. On this virtual keyboard, you can see what I type. Firstly, to type to Siri, double-press the Command key. Siri will open in the top right. To speak to Siri, hold the F5 button. Now, I have this paragraph in Word with many errors in it. If I right-click and click on Proofread, then it will correct all errors. There are also options for changing the tone of the text: friendly, professional, and concise. All of these tools will work universally in any app. I hope you were able to install Apple Intelligence.